Welcome to this technical guide on the Thermomix TM31. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Thermomix TM31 is making a horrible grinding noise, you're not alone. This issue can occur due to worn bearings or a damaged motor. If left unattended, it can lead to more severe damage, ultimately resulting in a costly replacement. So, let's get started on fixing this problem. For this repair, you will need a screwdriver set, a replacement motor, some lubricant, and a soft cloth to clean any debris. First, ensure your Thermomix is unplugged and cool to the touch. Begin by carefully removing the base of the device. Use a screwdriver to unscrew the base screws, making sure to keep them in a safe place. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the base to expose the internal components. The grinding noise typically comes from the motor assembly. Look for the motor, which is usually located at the center of the device. If you notice any visible wear or damage, that's likely the culprit. To extract the motor, carefully disconnect any attached cables. Take your time here, as you don't want to damage any nearby components. Once the cables are disconnected, you can unscrew the motor from its housing. Be cautious with the screws, as they can be quite small. Apply a moderate amount of force to loosen them, but be careful not to strip the screws. After removing the motor, replace it with the new one, ensuring it fits snugly in place. Connect the cables back, making sure they are securely attached. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once everything is in place, replace the base by aligning it properly and securing it with the screws you previously set aside. Finally, plug in your Thermomix and give it a test run to ensure everything is functioning smoothly. To prevent this issue from recurring, it's advisable to regularly clean your device and ensure that no ingredients are stuck in the motor area. Additionally, avoid overloading your Thermomix, as this can cause unnecessary strain on the motor. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.